Hi there, Casey. This is Tim. Thank you for adding the file. So let me try and reproduce this. Actually, I already reproduced your case. It's happening exactly the same for me. Let me just show. So I'm going to put in the NestingWorks add-in and then just create a nest job. And we can actually quite quickly see the issue. So we have the part size reported as 0, 0, and we don't have any part preview. So what I did, I tried to export this as a parasolid, and that didn't render well either. And then I started looking at your sketch basically, and I noticed that you have a lot of arcs defined to define the shape, and that should be okay. But then I noticed that you also have small, let's call them slivers in here, and I don't know the tolerance, to be honest, used in CAMWorks, not in CAMWorks, in NestingWorks, but I realized that there was some funky stuff going on in the sketch. So here is what I did to remedy that. So I will edit your sketch. Let me just put myself normal too, and then highlighting, whoops, like this in the corners to see if I can find anything. And there is nothing in that one. Nothing in that one. No problems here. No problems here, I think. But here you can see that I can select individual lines. So in this one, I deleted your line and put in a new one. Then I went on and did the same again. And actually you can see it, so I have no reason to do too much about it. So I'm just going to extend this line by drag and drop in this case. You could use the trim tool to extend, but let's just make it really quick because, yeah, no point in wasting too much time. So now I'm just finalizing these sketch edits. And again, I don't know the tolerance. I don't see any place where I can adjust that or anything. So I assume this to be okay. So now if I look at these ones, there is no more slivers in them. We do have some small arc slivering lines here, and that is, yeah, I'm not sure. But anyway. So now I fixed your sketch. So now I can just save this one and create a nest job, and I will get an error because it's trying to pull your template, I guess. No, it didn't. So now we see the preview and we see the size. I can put in 10. Material is reported as steel. So let's see. We want to remove that one. We want to have a sheet of steel. Let's put in a sheet forecaster in case we need more than one. And then we get the result, and we did actually need more than one sheet. So there you have it. Fix these small lines and you should be good to go. I have no clue why you are seeing that issue. I would definitely report that to your reseller so they can contact HCL, the NestingWorks support team, and ask them about these settings. Because if I look at settings, there is nothing in here that indicates the tolerance being used at all. I'm not sure if there is anything in the machines. That is not the case either. So I will report this one to your reseller and have them look at it. But now you know how to fix it at least.